Alright, today I'm doing a gameplay on a horror game called White Noise. It's scary, I know. I'm just doing a gameplay. I'm just want to play so for you guys to see that I am doing a gameplay. I know I did that since... which character should I choose? This guy. It's going to be this guy. Alright, we're loading. I know you can't see that much because the game's actually kind of blurry right now. I just need to find some tapes. So RT's to run, flashlight, pick up. Okay, flashlight, run, pick up. So here we are, starting in our scary moments together. I don't know where. In the freaking forest, the jungle, with a bunch of pineapple trees from SpongeBob. Hi, pineapple tree. How you doing? Ah, it's water. It's a beach. I forgot my bathing suit though. I don't know where's my bathing suit. That sucks. Ah, so many pineapple trees from SpongeBob, you know. Boo! I don't like those. Alright, let's see here. Nothing yet. Turn off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. I know it's kind of scary. I'm just doing off, on, off, on, off, on, all the time. Yes, pineapple trees. Oh, my favorite part of the day. Oh, look, there's something right over there. It's the sunset. The sun. Alright, it's getting kind of scary. Why isn't there any tapes? Oh wow, a rock of 3 noses. That is cool. That looks like a nose. No, it knows. Doesn't it? Off, on, off, on, off, on. Oh, there's no, never mind. I thought that was like a, what do you call those? A cave. I'm going. Nothing to see here. Nothing to speak. Oh, it's a scary noise. That is a scary noise. I don't know what I'm doing. Matthew 6275. I started playing a community game. Oh, there he is, peoples. Oh no! I don't want to go inside this cave. Well, it's not even a cave at all. It's just a little cave thingy. There you just go. You know, this is basically like Slender Man. But it has a freaking monster with no eyes. But he's completely naked. I'm serious, he's naked. Play this game. You see his freaking face. It's naked. I'm going this way. He doesn't wear a suit. I know that. That sucks though. It's like, I'm running around naked. I have no weenie. Just because he had an operation. Yeah. Another nose stone. That's cool. Still no tapes. Is that a cliff? What is that? It's just a hole. A hole to dig in. What is that? A windmill. A windmill. In the middle of the night. Can I go inside? No. Why not? No. Okay, fine. No, I think I can. Can I go inside? There's like a whole crap of these things. I'm going in one. I can't. Ah, look, there's the tape. Can you see the tape? Now I just need 8 more. 8 more pieces of tape. I need duct tape. Duct tape. Yeah, that's what I need. Duct tape. Duct tape. If I keep doing that, he might just pop in my face. He's going, holy shit! You're right there. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! Be calm, be calm, be calm, be calm, be calm, be calm, be calm. Nothing to see, la la la. In a happy place, with a bunch of money, with a bunch of tiny puppies. These puppies, they're puppies. Yeah, they're cute. They're crawling on my lap. Oh my god, they're crawling on my lap. Yep, okay, okay. I have cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies with milk. With milk! I said milk! Leave me alone. Okay, I think I lost him. Oh, crap, that was fucking scary. Oh. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the night. I need cookies. I need chocolate chip. What is that? Oh my god! Oh god! Damn it! He got me. Well, thanks for watching the video. I just died. I just lasted for 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Memory of me. I walked 545.5 milligrams. I screamed once. Replays. Here's my replay, everybody. The red line means that's how much I walked. You can't see it, I know that. As if you can see it. If you can't, I'm sorry, you're blind. That's how much I freaking walked. I can't believe that. I walked that much. Just kept walking, kept walking, kept walking. I know it's kind of boring, actually. I'm just walking all peacefully. If the camera's crooked, that means I'm just holding it. I didn't even see the freaking monster. There, I found a stupid tape. I'm still walking. Wow. I saw the monster. I was running away. Did I just really turn back? Oh, and that's why I got caught. So yeah, that's white noise. Thanks for watching. Peace out.